A warm welcome to you all. I'm Deborah Mersibai from Sri Balaji College of Nursing. I'm an associate professor in Fundamentals of Nursing Department. Today I'm going to take articles in English. Articles in English are a, an, or the. A, and the are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. So there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. A and comes under indefinite and the is definite article. The is used to refer specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We use a, an, or the before nouns that we want to introduce. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, or things. A is used before beginning with A. There is consonant sound, a boy, a bird. So consonant sound is, vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, and all other sounds are consonant sounds. Before a singular noun beginning, a book, a school, a dog. So you have to use a article before a singular noun. So book is singular, school is singular, dog, a book, a school, and a dog. Even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. For example, a European, a unit, a union, all these are the letters or the words begin with vowel sound, but you have to use A only. Some words start with vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. So we use a before these two words. Some words start with vowel letter but begin with consonant sound. So we use before these words too. For example, university, uniform, and European. A before consonant sound, a bicycle, which means one bicycle. So a is an article which is used before a singular noun. A teacher, a computer, a ball. So all these are example of article A. We also use A before you when it sounds like the word you and before EU. So you use A before the word which starts with you, but when it sounds like the word you. Sounds like you starts with you. Example, university. So you'll say a university. And it starts with EU but sounds like you. So there also you have to use the article A. It is a European city. Now we'll see some exercise in this. She wears a uniform on Wednesday. He gave me a 1 rupee coin. Sona made a universal appeal. India is a developing country. He is a boy. An is an article. It is used before a word beginning with vowel. Example, an idiot, an apple. It begins with a vowel sound, E. So, an idiot, an apple. before a word beginning with H but not sounded. So it begins with H, but H is not sounded. You should not say honor, it is an honor, an hour, an honest man. It is an honest man. It is not honest, it is an honest man. We use and before words which begin with vowels like A, E, I, O, U. An elephant, which means one elephant, an elephant, an eraser, an apple, an Indian. And when it is not voiced as H, you will use an, but when it is voiced H, you have to use the article A. It is a house. You will not say house, it is house. So a horse. And voiceless H, for example, an or, an honest man. So let's try now. A girl, an airplane, an egg, a house, an actor, a dog. So all these are singular nouns, but a and depends on the sounds of the word, which is vowel sound or the consonant sound. So girl is consonant sound, dog is consonant sound, and house, it is voiced H. So it is a house. Now we'll see some exercise. An honest man is always respected. It is an honest man is always respected. Rahul is an engineer by profession. I bought an HMT watch. It is not H, it is HMT watch. Mala is a MA in English. My brother is an advocate. Next, the article is the. It is used before unique objects. Example, the sun, the sky, the moon. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, and deserts, etc. Example, the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific. And before the names of books, example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. So these are the situations you will use the article noun. I mean the before the noun. Before unique objects like sun, sky and moon, before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. And before the names of books. Before the superlative degree, the best, the tallest, and there are 3 degrees of comparison, and the superlative degree always come with the article. Before musical instruments, the flute, the violin. Before an adjective to denote a whole class, like the old, the rich, the poor. And before the ordinals, like the first month, the 9th month, it is like before the ordinals, the second, the third, like that. And before proper names, like plural of people or nation, it is people, it is not peoples. And the French, the Indians, abbreviations use the, like the UN, the USA, the IMF. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. So when there is only one thing, one particular thing, so in that case, you will use the, like the North Pole, the South Pole. And where do you omit article? Before the names of relation, like the father, the uncle, the sister. So before the names of relations, you will omit article. Before the names of material, like gold, silver, diamond. Before proper noun, Lotus, Chennai, Priya, all these are proper noun. You should not use article before this name or the name of the place, whatever. And before abstract noun, like honesty, wisdom, truth, these are abstract nouns, and you should not use articles before it. And before language, you should not say the Tamil, the English. It is like just Tamil, Hindi, English. Before certain phrases, at noon, by train, on foot, so it comes like that one. So before certain phrases, you should avoid article. Next, let's compare a and the. Mary said, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. And Joe is asking, was the CD player expensive? So where do you use a and where do you use the? So when you talk about a noun for the first time and it is a singular noun, there you will use a. So you are saying first time for the about the CD player. So you are saying I bought a CD player. And was the CD player expensive? And you are asking, is the CD player expensive? You are talking about this particular noun for the second time. So it is the CD player. We usually use a and with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. So we usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or the thing for the first time. That is what happened here. You are talking about the CD player for the first time. So I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. And we usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. So here, the second time you are asking about the CD player and you are particularize the CD player and you are asking, was the CD player expensive? So this is the difference between a and the. And remember, a is the article which is a or an which will not come with plural noun. Only the will come with plural. The CD player, the one that Mary bought. However, there are some special uses of a, an, and the. We use a or an with prices, frequency, and speeds. See these examples. Like prices, it costs £2 a liter, £2. So you are talking about the price. So it comes with the article a. I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. So you are saying the frequency of coffee in a day. So I drink about 3 cups of coffee a day. And speeds, you are driving at 90 miles an hour. So these are the place you use a or an article. So I am saying again, it is with prices, frequency, and speeds. We use a or an before 100, 1,000 and million. 100 people, 1,000 days. So remember, it comes with 100,000 and million. So don't get confused here because people is plural and days are plural. And this is the exception because you have to use the article a before 100,000 and million. 100 people, 1,000 days. We use a or an for talking about jobs. I'm a bank manager, I'm a teacher, I'm a professor. We use and an engineer, because the engineer, it starts with vowel sound. So you will say, I'm an engineer. We use the when there is only one of something. May I turn on the TV? So we use the when there is only one of something. Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. So only one kitchen is there. So you are saying she is in the kitchen. We use the with musical instruments. I play the guitar. Jane plays the violin. And we'll see some exercise. The earth goes round the sun. The earth. So you should not say the earth. Whenever you are using the article the with vowel sound like earth, when it starts with vowel letter, so there you have to pronounce that as the. The earth goes round the sun. So that's the difference between the and the. It is not same pronunciation when it comes with vowel letter. I love watching the sun rise in the morning. The Himalayas stand as sentinel to our country. The man in the blue suit is our principal. My sister is working in the USA. Now remember all the rules we have applied. The earth and sun are the unique things. So you are using the article the. And here also, the sun in the morning. And Himalayas, mountains. So remember the rule. Before the names of mountains, rivers and oceans, deserts, you have to use the article the. So the man in the blue shirt is our principal. My sister is working in the USA. And I said before the abbreviations, you have to use the article the. Okay, now we'll revise the class. There are three articles in grammar of English, a, and the. And there are two articles, two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. A, and the are called articles. And in these three, a and an are indefinite article and the is called definite article. So when you are giving some definite information about a noun, and when you are talking about a noun for the second time or again and again, you will use the noun the. And a and an comes before any singular noun which you are talking about for the first time. So the is used to refer to specific or particular nouns, and a and is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. And these articles are used in names of people, places, animals, or things. So when you want to introduce these, so you will use a, an, or the. And where do you use a and an? Before beginning with consonant sound. And I taught you the difference between consonant and vowel sound. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U, and all other letters are consonant. It begins with consonant sound. A boy, a bird, and before singular noun, a book, a school, a dog. Remember, with plural noun, the article a and an will not come. You should not say books, schools, dogs, it is wrong. So and an always come with singular noun. Even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound like European, unit, union, all these are the letters with, I mean, vowel letters, but it does not have vowel sound. So it will come with a only, a European, a unit, a union. So these are the examples of consonant sound: a bicycle, a teacher, a computer, a ball. And as I said, these were some letters, some words will begin with vowel letter, but it will not have an as an article. See, university, it begins with vowel letter and it sounds like U. So, a university. And see, European, it starts with EU and sounds like U. So, it is not an European city, it is a European city. So, we have seen some exercise for it with the uniform. She wears a uniform on Wednesday because it is not an uniform, it is a uniform. He gave me 1 rupee coin. Sona made universal appeal. India is a developing country. A developing country, you are talking about one country. So, and non and this is singular noun. So it is India is a developing country. He is a boy. Boy is a singular noun. An used with vowel, an idiot, an apple, and an is also used with H but not sounded. An honor, an hour, an honest man. And we use an before words which begin with vowels. We'll see some example. A, E, I, O, U. Example, an elephant, an eraser, an apple, an Indian. And these are words which voiced with H. A house, a horse, and voiceless H, an hour, an honest man. And let's try these with the article. A girl, because it's a consonant sound. An airplane, it is vowel sound. An egg is vowel sound. A house, an actor, a dog. An example of an honest man is always respected. Rahul is an engineer. And now remember all the rule we have seen where to use an honest man, because H is not sounded here. So you have to use an engineer. This is vowel sound. So Rahul is an engineer by profession. I bought an HMT watch. Mala is an MA in English. My brother is an advocate. And now the last article, the, and these are the rule to use, the places to use the article the before unique objects, before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, and etc. And before the names of books. Before the superlative degree, the best, the tallest, and before the musical instruments, the flute, the violin, and before an adjective denote a whole class, the old, the rich, the poor, and before ordinals, example, the first, the second, the ninth, before proper names or people or nations, French, Indians, and before abbreviations like the UN, the USA, the IMF. And we use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. And where do you omit article? This is very important. Avoid article or omit article before the names of relations. For example, the father, uncle, sister, And before the names of material, gold, silver, diamond, before proper noun, like notice, I am living in Chennai, or I am going to Chennai. That's it. I'm going to the Chennai, or I'm going to a Chennai is wrong. So don't use our article before proper noun. And she is Priya is correct. She is a Priya. When you say that, it's wrong. So before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom, truth, before language. I speak Tamil, I speak English, or I speak Tamil and English. That is correct. So don't use article before language. Before certain phrases. At noon, I came at noon. I came by train. On foot. So before certain phrases, omit article like a and and there. No article will come under these situations. And we'll compare a and the a or an is used to talk about a person or a thing for the first time. And the when we talk about a person or thing again. The CD player, a CD player, see this sentence. So a CD player is talking about the noun for the first time, and for the second time you are using like the CD player. However, there are some special use of a and the. So where do you use a and an? With prices, frequency, and speeds. So these are the examples of it we have seen. And we also use a or an before 100, 1000 and million. And we saw some example of it. 100 people, 1000 days. And a or an for talking about jobs. I'm a teacher. I'm a dancer. I'm a bank manager. And the when there is only one of something. So may I turn on the TV? Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. And as I said, we use the with musical instruments. I play the guitar. Jane plays the violin. And we have seen some exercise on the earth. And I told you the difference between the and the. The earth goes round the sun. And before abbreviations, my sister is working in the USA. And before mountains, rivers, it is the Himalayas stand as sentinel to our country. And when we are talking about the noun in particular, so the man in the blue suit is our principal. So just remember all the rules, where to use a and an, and where to use definite article and where to use indefinite article, and be thorough with vowel sound and consonant sound, and voiced H and non-voiced H. That is very important. So thank you.